Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write lowercase character U and V. Here we go. Put your marker on second line and make curve here. Now come downward, make curve here, move upward by touching the third line. Now come back on second line, then come down again on third line. Leave the line here. Now pick up your marker. Once again, I'm going to teach how to write lowercase character U. Put your line on second line, make curve here, then come down on third line, make curve here. Now move your marker upward on second line. Now come down again on third line and take out this line out from this lowercase character U. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character U. Now I am going to write lowercase character V. Put your marker on second line. Draw the line like this. Now come by touching the second line, come down on third line, slide diagonally. Now come down on third line. Touch the third line. Now slide diagonally, move upward on second line. Make curve here. Now leave the line downward like this. Here is lowercase character V. Once again I am going to write. Put your marker before second line. Now touch the second line. Now slide diagonally, move your marker downward on third line. Touch the third line. Now move your marker upward on second line. Touch the second line. Now move your marker downward. Draw the little line here. Now pick up your marker. This is lowercase character V. In this video you have learned lowercase character U and V. Next time we will meet with new alphabets. See you. Tata.